Hello everyone, this is Dr. Dhwani Jain, physiotherapist, and welcome back to my channel Physio Friend. So today we are going to see a quick plank workout wherein you can get a stronger ab and stronger core. You can actually work out that core and get a six-pack through this plank workout. So before we begin our workout, let's just see how to do a plank correctly so that you don't get any back injuries or any aches and pains. So let's move on. So let's just see how to do a plank correctly. So this is going to be your starting position. Your elbows have to be in line with the shoulders, forearms shoulder width apart. Your toes have to be inwards, that's towards your body. Now what you do is come up on your toes and forearm just like this. So your neck is in line with your spine and your butt is also in line with your spine. Make sure you don't dip your back down or up. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now after this, let's begin with the plank workout. So first exercise, you will be holding a plank position for 30 seconds, just as I showed before how you should do a plank. So let's begin and start. Perfect. So see, the neck, body and butt are in line. Toes inwards, elbows in line with the shoulders and shoulder width apart. Yes, perfect. You can do it. Come on, slightly up. Tuck your core in. Your core has to be tucked in. Your stomach has to be in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest. Now we take a 10 seconds pause and continue with the next one. So our next workout is leg extensions. We'll be alternately doing leg extensions. Let's see how to do it. So come up in a plank position and start. So this way, right and left. So you'll be doing this for 30 seconds. If you're comfortable, you can first do just right and then just do left. Make sure you tuck your stomach in properly. You tuck that core in. Feel the burn. So talking about the weather, it's drizzling here and the workout has become even more fun. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Next we move on to Spider-Man planks. In this you have to bend your knee to one side first and the next leg to other side next time. So just alternate between right and left. Let's see how. Come up in a plank position and start. So this way, just keep on bending your knee to one side and then the next knee to the other side. Make sure you tuck your tummy in. Yes, you can do it. Come on. Perfect. That's nice. I think you've already started feeling the burn. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Next is plank jacks. Just as you do jumping jacks, we'll be doing plank jacks. You need to come in a plank position and spread out your legs. Come in, spread, come in. So let's see how. Start. Perfect. Tuck your core in and we'll do it for 30 seconds and then take a 10 seconds pause. This is just fabulous. Yes. Come on, few more seconds to go. That's perfect. Tuck your core in. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So next is a commando plank. You need to come up in a plank position and you will be on your forearm. Then you need to come up on your hands again on the forearm. So let's see how to do it. Come up in a plank position and start. So just this way. Need to come up on your hands and again on your forearm. Make sure you tuck your stomach in. Yes, perfect. You can do it. I know you might be already feeling the burn in your abs. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and stop. So next we move on to the side plank. We'll be holding it for 30 seconds and then taking a 10 seconds pause. Let's see how we do. First we'll do it on the right side. So let's begin. This is the starting position and up. Start. So make sure your elbow is in line with the shoulder, neck in line with your body. Your full weight will be on your one forearm and your foot. So this is how you do a side plank. Tuck your core in. Come on. Make sure you breathe normally. Yes, that's great. It's perfect. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now we'll be switching on to the left side. Let's move and take the position. Yes, all set. Okay, let's begin. So start. Yes, so tuck your core in. Make sure everything is in line. Your full body, neck, legs and your feet are in line. Make sure your elbow is in line with the shoulder. So that's right. Tuck your tummy in. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next we'll be doing a side plank with dips. So you have to come in a side plank and then dip your hip down and then come up again. We'll be doing it for 30 seconds and then 10 seconds pause and then repeating it on the other side. So let's begin. Start. Perfect. You just come in a plank position and then dip your hip down as much as possible and come up to the normal plank. Make sure you don't come up too much. Yes, we do it for 30 seconds. Tuck your core in. Feel the burn in your abs. That's nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we're doing it on the right side. So let's move and start. Perfect. Tuck your tummy in. Feel the burn in your abs. Awesome. The form is just correct. And I'm sure if you follow these forms, you won't get any injuries later on. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this was a quick 6-minute plank workout to get those stronger abs and core, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy doing it. Do try and let me know in the comment section how you felt. Did you feel those abs burning or no? And also make sure you do a proper warm-up routine before doing the plank workout, and also a cool down stretching after the plank workout so that you don't get the sore muscles. And if you want a reference, I'll send the links in the description box. about my 2 videos on upper body and lower body stretching. So you can follow that and you'll get a good stretch in by doing those exercises. So this was my first video on our workout series, and I'm going to come up with many more such videos on fitness and also on physiotherapy related topics. So stay tuned. Also, if you enjoyed this workout, do give it a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more updates on fitness and physiotherapy related topics. If you want any videos on such topics, do comment me in the comment box and I'll come back with one soon. Till then, keep moving and stay fit.